somewhere beyond the edge of maps, in the quiet corners of the East, the sky remembers stories older than time. This is one of them. When a fish became a bird.
庄子逍遥游，北冥有鱼，其名为鲲。鲲之大，不知其几千里也。
In a quiet corner of the world, a little sparrow perched on a reed. Far below the surface, a great shadow moved.
What is that, under the water?
They say it's a fish. Named Kuan. So big, no one knows where it ends.
Why be that big? I only need to jump a few branches to see the world.
Maybe your world is a few branches. Maybe Kuan's world is something else entirely.
化而为鸟，其名为鹏。鹏之背，不知其几千里也。
One day, Kun rose. She leaped out of the water with such power, the sky seemed to split. As she soared, fins became wings. Kun became Peng.
What's that thing in the sky?
It's Kuan. No, now she's Pang. She's flying to the South Sea.
Why fly so far? I just need a breeze to cross the field.
Maybe that's enough. For a sparrow.
鹏之徙于南冥也，水击3000里，伯服要而上者9万里，去以6月习者也。
Peng soared past the clouds, riding wind currents that held her for thousands of miles. She did not flap. She drifted. She did not chase, he simply moved.
It's not about how far I go. It's about needing nothing beneath me.
Some creatures live by flapping, others by soaring. What does your sky look like? Are you living in it? Or just beneath it?